Hey guys, welcome to the Best Online Tutorials channel. In this one I'm showing you how to use the Vidic Chrome extension. So this is the ultimate fixer for YouTube SEO. It pulls back the curtain of the YouTube algorithm, allowing you to see the exact metadata, keyword scores, and competitor stats that drives views. So in order to get it for your Chrome, you go to Extensions, Manage, and then go to Web Store. This is where you grab it from. And in here type in Vidic. Okay. This is the one. I've already had it open. Okay. And as you can see, what it does, uncover the secrets of success behind your favorite YouTube videos. So let's install it. Install. Also for your own comfort, make sure to go to extensions here and just pin this Vidic to your, you can see, bar here. Okay. And how you use this, you need to log in with your Google account. Let us do that. All right. As you can see, we now have it available. So as you can see, we have all of these stats, which is nice. So we have the monetization process. As you can see, we have the watch time in the last 12 months, subscribers, public watch hours, public shorts views. So all of this data is very, very good if you want to analyze the YouTube trends and, you know, be in touch with all of the best content that brings you profit. All right, so if I, for example, open up my own video, as you can see, we have this data right here, the engagement percentage, outlier, views per hour. Then you see the stats in the last 24 hours, or you can just set it to show you the different stats for the different amounts of time, right? So the different period of time. And also what you can do as well, you can search for a topic on YouTube, for example, gaming. And the Vidic keyword score will be shown on the right. As you can see, the overall score is high, and volume is very high, and competition is high. You can open any video to see the Vidic scorecard. This is where the magic happens. So what do we have? We have the SEO score. If it's below 50, the metadata needs work. Also, you can click on the overview. As you can see, it's going to show my own channel's performance. So we have the amounts of subscribers, how many views I've got, you know, how many videos I've got, and how old my channel is. So pretty nice data to look at. So pretty much this extension turns the guessing game of YouTube into a science. If this extension breakdown helped you optimize your channel, hit like and subscribe.